Mount Carmel MediGold promises to deliver both comprehensive coverage and compassionate care. Here to tell us more is Chad Glass. Chad, let's get right into it. Who is eligible for Medicare?
Yeah, when it comes to Medicare eligibility, especially this time of year, we're seeing mostly our new to 65 folks that are coming to our doorstep looking for guidance. Now that we're in this time of year, most folks have to have what's called a special election period to enroll. So that could be you're brand new to Medicare. You could have involuntarily or voluntarily just lost coverage through your employer or a spouse's employer. You could be brand new to a service area that wasn't available to you in the past, and that also creates a special election. So this time of year, we're mainly talking to folks that have a reason to give us a call and have one of those life status changes and helping them get the plan that they need.
What are the different options available?
There are tons of options available, and it can sometimes be paralysis by analysis because there's so many companies, there's so many different plan types. Folks have probably heard of Medicare Parts A, B, C, and D. You've heard of Medicare supplemental plans, standalone prescription drug plans, Medicare Advantage. If you can see where I'm going with this, there's a lot of words flying around, a lot of alphabet soup. So really hunkering down and identifying which plan might be the best plan for your lifestyle and your needs is really going to be the most beneficial thing when you start this process. And again, we're happy to talk to you about any of those things. If you need that guidance, we're just a phone call away and would love to talk to you.
It's great that you have someone available to talk us through all these options because it can be so confusing. Now let's talk enrollment. When can people enroll?
So there are tons of different enrollment periods. So it's not really a one size fits all answer to that question. During this time of year, it's mostly folks that have a life status change or a qualifying reason that they're able to enroll, like being new to Medicare or losing employer coverage, for example. But a lot of people know about that big enrollment period in the fall, too, called the annual enrollment period. That's October 15th through December 7th of every year. And that's for folks who already have a Medicare plan. And if they make a change during that time, that change then goes into effect January 1st of that following year. And that's the one most folks know about. But it's really important to know, especially if you're new to Medicare, that it's not just that enrollment period. There's other ones, like I mentioned, new to Medicare or losing employer coverage, and a plethora of other reasons you could be eligible to join. And again, we're so happy to help you navigate that. If you have those questions, give us a call and we can make sure we're setting you on the right path.
It's good to know there are other times we can enroll and not just those common hard deadlines that we often hear about. And speaking of enrollment, what preparatory steps should they take?
Yeah, I've been in this industry almost 15 years. And the one thing I've noticed with working for folks all through that time is being prepared early is so beneficial. So even if you're a couple years away and you know Medicare is on the horizon, things may be different when you get there 2 years from now. But laying that groundwork now and starting to have a better understanding of what Medicare is, and we talked about all those different parts of Medicare earlier, it's confusing and it's a lot coming at you at one time. So just watching a brief Medicare 101 video online to get a more general sense of what's just Medicare at its base level and what are the different pieces of Medicare that you need to know about before making a decision in this realm. So being prepared and getting a head start is so beneficial, and I've seen it really pay off for a lot of folks.
Where can our viewers go for more information?
Yeah, visit our website. If you just type in MediGold or Mount Carmel Health Plan, we'll pop right up there. You can also call our customer service number at 1-800-964-4525. And we have friendly folks right here in our area here to help you. So we'd love for you to give us a call.
We'll be right back.